Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the comic shop. It's BZ Comics. One of the biggest questions that I get from you guys in the comment section is, where do you get your files? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where I get my files. I'm going to be showing you the difference of free websites, paid for websites where you have to pay for the files. So hopefully this helps you guys and makes you stop bugging. No, I'm just kidding. But let's get into it. I'm going to be starting out with one of my favorite websites. This is DO3D. By the way, I do have an affiliate link that I'll leave below in the comments or in the description. So if you do actually come to this site, please, it would mean a lot. Support the channel and actually use my affiliate link. But back to the video. This is where you get like a lot of amazing quality. When I did my Blue Beetle helmet, this is exactly where I came to. The good thing about them is they actually have a lot of free files as well. So this Star Wars helmet, they actually just added this. So if you're watching this video, I would say definitely jump on that, because sometimes they do put some stuff up there and then take some of the stuff down as far as like free files. But definitely check out DO3D. They have a lot of amazing stuff. So the Green Goblin video that I made, that pretty much like blew up on the internet. This is exactly where I got this from. The Snake Eyes helmet that I did, this is where I got it from. And the Daredevil helmet that I did for one of my friends came from this channel as well. They have everything pretty much sectioned out so that way it's easy to find, so you can go through Marvel, Star Wars, DC. And this is where a lot of people get their full files from when they're creating suits. One of the biggest things that I like about DO3D is, as you can see, the helmets are already pretty much on like a mannequin's head. So they kind of size these helmets out for you as well. If you haven't seen my how to scale 3D printed files, definitely check out this video here, or check out this video as well, where you can see how I took a 3D scan of my head. But they kind of do it here for you. When I had my hair cut, or when my hair is low, I could just pretty much print this out at 100%, and it fits you just fine. So it's like they used the average size of somebody's head and just threw it on there. I'm not sure why it's saying some of these images are not found. It's probably just my computer acting up. But they have like a plethora of helmets. So the Princess Shuri helmet that I made came from here as well. As you can see, they have full body armor. So if you're looking to 3D print out a suit, yes, it is a little bit pricey, but at the same time, you're going to get a lot of quality out of this website. One of the upcoming helmets that I'm looking to make from the DC section is going to actually be Red Hood. But they have like tons of different files of Red Hood's helmet. Again, this is where I got the Flash helmet as well. So if you're looking for something either Marvel, DC, Star Wars, something that's pretty popular. I know the Blue Beetle helmet's pretty popular as well. This is where a lot of people are snagging it from. But if you're looking for something Marvel or DC, this is definitely where I would go first to check out to see if they have it here. Because like I said, one, they scale it for you. Two, it's amazing quality, amazing attention to detail that they have. And they also give different connection ports within the helmets as well. So the Blue Beetle helmet, as you've seen, comes with a bunch of magnets. So that kind of helps you out a lot there. Being able to easily adjust these helmets and easily fit these helmets. You can see the magnet ports here. So that's one step that they take that's like an extra step into making their files, which I love so much because it makes connecting everything a lot easier. The second website, this website I'm actually kind of new to. I just recently found this website, and it's another great one because not only does it give you files, but on this website you can pretty much get like a membership. I believe it's like 10 to 12 bucks. It says it right here at the top. I'm not reading. But you can get unlimited downloads for just 10 bucks a month, which that's crazy. Same price like Netflix used to be for files that you can unlimitedly download. Now, if you don't pay your monthly subscription, then I think that it's basically like you can't keep the files kind of thing. But as long as you have your month-to-month subscription going on, you can download all of these files and just go from there. But just like DO3D, he has another amazing attention to detail. One thing that I really like that I came on this website and seen is that he actually shows you how to do exactly what he's doing. Not too many people are going to do that. They're just going to kind of like sell you the thing. But he actually has a 14-day kind of trial or tutorial where he's showing you how to use Blender and make your own files. Now, a lot of you have probably seen like the donut kind of Blender file training kind of thing. This is probably just a little bit different, but it's something cool that he has. I believe this is a paid membership as well. But in order to learn how to do this on your own, where you can start making money on your own files, I think it's definitely worth the investment. He also has, just like me, reviews and how-tos. So he shows you like different tips and tricks for first-time owners, different guides that he gives you on what you should know as a beginner, how you should work on your printer, how you can work on files, different types of filaments, different things like that. Let's go through the armory. I haven't downloaded one of these files yet, but I definitely am choosing one of these. I'm just not going to show you guys which one yet. Stay tuned for more. But one of the things that I really like that he had up here were like the different samurai type of helmets. I know I spelled that wrong, but you get the point. He has different samurai helmets with like basic custom concepts, so that's what I like as well. Is that not only does he show you exactly what's out there, like as far as like Iron Man helmets, Batman helmets that are like traditional looks, but he gives you custom concepts. So if you're somebody who like makes videos as well, just like me, you can kind of get like a little creative, do something that most people kind of aren't doing, and making some different type of files. So this is like the different Darth Maul that he has, but he has like different samurai armor, which is something that I'm really into. I'm really into like the old school kung fu movies, different armories, different things like that. So this is definitely cool. It's kind of the same price as DO3D, maybe a little bit cheaper here. Most of his files or helmets are like 25 bucks, whereas DO3D you're going to be paying closer to 30. That's pretty cool. And another thing that I like about this website is he gives you like a breakdown from the images, where the images kind of spin or revolve so that way you can see them a little easier. My website or my internet for some reason is just acting a little slow, so bear with me, but you can kind of get like a full look at exactly what you're going to be printing, and that's something that I really like as well. So you can zoom in, look at all the detail. That's what I mainly look for now when I'm trying to print something, is how much attention to detail is there, because that's kind of like what makes the print the print. So he has different things from Marvel, DC, even video games. So this is the needler gun from Halo. This is something that I would like to do as well. Just print some of this with like transparent filament, so that way these needles kind of glow. This is fun stuff. So again, this is the second website that I would check out. Again, I'm new to the site, but it's definitely something that I'm going to be coming to. So he even has suits as well for you. It's a pretty popular one right here. It's pretty cool, man. This must take some time, some effort, and some dedication. This video is helping you. Definitely make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more of my tutorials, how-tos, tips and tricks on how I help you do what I do. So if you like 3D printing, or if you're just an enthusiast, or if you're just into how-to creation videos, again, definitely hit the like and subscribe. Let's get back to it. So next up, if you are a beginner, this is where I started. This is going to be the website that you probably are familiar with now, but this is like one of the best websites because it has literally everything and it's 100% free. This is Thingiverse. So just like I said on Nico Industries, if you're somebody who wants to learn how to actually create your files, this is a place where you can actually upload your files for other people to use as well. But like I said, Thingiverse has everything. They have like a lot of creative things, a lot of useful prints, things that you can download and sell. Now, if you're looking to sell, my recommendation is to always go to the profile of the person who's uploading these files and definitely reach out to them and make sure like it's okay with them. Don't just like sell their stuff. This is their hard work. This does take time to make. You usually see the person's name, tag, anything like that where you can actually reach them. So definitely look out for them and actually reach out to them before you actually use their hard work. But like I said, everything here is free. You can find anything that you're looking for on Thingiverse. My saying is, if you want to make it, check Thingiverse first. One thing that's kind of like spotty with Thingiverse is like the quality. Again, these are free files, so there are some people who are just like starting out, who are just getting into creating files, so there might be some like low quality on this website. But again, it's free, so I'll search a couple of different things. So Pokeballs are definitely something that's pretty fun to make. I remember being a kid, playing Game Boy, wanting a Pokeball of my own. So it's definitely a place that you can find these. They actually make a couple of different files where it's like card holders. So if you have like a bunch of different SD cards for your 3D printer, you can find different SD holders. They actually have a lot of different attachments and upgrades for your printers as well. So if you're looking for like different upgrades, different mods to add to your 3D printer, Thingiverse definitely has it. So Thingiverse kind of started from a company called MakerBot, which is a company from Boston, where I'm from. Hey, but MakerBot pretty much was one of the first companies to make an inclusive kind of machine. So pretty much this is where if you have like one of the beginner 3D printers from MakerBot, where they would have like different upgrades, they would pretty much let you add tweaks to their files or to their printer, and then everybody else will be able to start downloading them and then adding them to their printer as well. So that's pretty cool. So another good source on Thingiverse is Adafruit. Now Adafruit does have a website with files on the website as well, but you can just come to Thingiverse and find it here. From the website, it's I think they took it down, but it's like super hard to find some of the stuff on their website. But if you're looking for a different file, if you're looking to make things with like electronics, if you're looking to do things that are like outside of just helmets and cosplay, if you're looking to like change the world with what you can make, looking for like look at this like little TV that they have, the Back to the Future kind of circuit board. They have a lot of things that are gonna use like Arduinos, electronics. They even have like a chessboard that you can use with Arduinos with lights to make it a light up chessboard. So when you move the pieces, the light goes with that piece as well. So if you're looking to do things, like I said, outside of cosplay, outside of helmets, they do make helmets, but they also make like different types of robots, different type of mini games that you can make, like your own Raspberry Pi, Game Boy. So if you're looking to make things like that, different types of creations, your own kind of like theories, they're gonna give you a file for it, and on the website they actually give you the electronics for it as well. Okay, so next up on the list, we got thangs.com. Not things. Thangs. Gotta say it with a little bit of soul. Say it with me. Thangs. No, I'm just kidding. But from thangs.com, you can get like a lot of smaller replica models. You can actually download Blender from here as well, which is pretty cool. You do have to create like a membership, not a membership, but you do have to create a profile with them in order to start downloading these files. But I believe most of these files are free. But I know a lot of people are into like minis, miniatures, making small replicas of different things. So this is definitely a place to check it out. With a lot of these files as well, so you can start it off as a miniature, but with anything in 3D printing, you can definitely scale it up. So if you're looking to make maybe like a life-size Mario, you can download the file from here, scale it up a little bit more, make different slices, and then assemble it all together from there. So that's one thing that I like. They have like a lot of cool like articulated files. So I know like the articulated dragons are pretty cool, articulated worms, different things like that you're going to be able to find on here. Harry Potter's pretty popular since the game came out, so you'll be able to find like different wands. But if you're somebody that's into miniatures, smaller figurines of different cartoons, so like South Park, Pokemon, Rick and Morty, different things like that, you're going to find a lot of those files on this website here. So again, this is thangs.com. This is kind of pretty cool. I might want to print this. I've seen a lot of people making like an Eiffel Tower. It's pretty cool. They have the lamp from Pixar. That's pretty fun as well. So definitely, I actually made this baby Groot, and I got it from this website here. So like I said, you have to create a profile, log in, and then you'll start to be able to download. Again, if you're somebody who wants to start creating your own files, then they do have a Blender download on the website as well. Okay, so those are the top 4 websites that I'm going to be going to if I'm ever going to be making any of my models. So hopefully now in the comment section, you guys no, I'm just kidding. You can ask anything in the comments. Reach out to me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, whatever you want. My inbox is always open to you guys. This channel's here to help you. Hopefully this video did help you with learning how to find different models, whether it's going to be a free or a paid version of that model. And hopefully I helped you pinpoint down so that way you can actually know what website to go to find something in specific. Now, after you find those files and after you download those files, one thing that's going to be useful is learning how to, one, scale those scale those files so that if you're making helmets, you can make those helmets fit. And to learn more about that, check out this next video here where I actually show you how I scan my head, or how I use 3 other methods if you don't have a scanner or if you don't have an iPhone, how you can scale those helmets to actually fit, or how you can scale different size props to make them come together and fit all as one. Besides that, it's BZ Comics. Peace.